guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with this super short curly hairdo from Luvmehair. I'm gonna link everything in the description in case you guys are interested, but this is a frontal wig and I thought that I was gonna be able to do finger waves. You guys are gonna see later on, but I don't know how to do finger waves. So I ended up with this little slicky back because how the hair comes, I'm gonna just briefly pop in a video, but it's like short and curly. And if my future self knew that I didn't know how to do finger waves, I would have just wore curly because this is cute. Like if you're looking for a super easy summer hairdo that's off your neck, because it gets hot. And your girl, I'm about to get me a nice big neck tattoo, and sometimes I just like a little short. So this is cute. I ended up just slicking it down because y'all know with finger waves, you gotta use like a lot of product. So here we are. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let's hop straight into this super curly, let me just turn around for you guys. Super curly short pixie, okay? You guys, this is what the wig looks like. I attempted to bleach the knots, you guys. I'm gonna let y'all know these knots were really stubborn. I did give myself the discreet part that I did, and I did attempt to pluck the hairline. Because like I tell you guys, if I'm going to be trying to make a wig look nice, I'm going to put in all of the effort that I can. So this is what it looks like, just straight out. You didn't see my hair. This is what the wig looks like on my hairline. So I'll be pulling it all the way down. Okay, we're gonna use our spray, handy dandy spray. From here on out, any spray you see me using will be this spray. I love this spray. The hairline, and I normally go in with 2 layers. So for all my ladies out there who don't have blow dryers, I really like this spray because it dries pretty fast. I mean, not like so fast that you can't go to the bathroom if you needed to, but do be sure to have an elastic band on hand because you're gonna need it. I think that this hairstyle is going to be so cute. Grab a hold of it. And once you lay it on there, it's like really stuck. Some people say they don't use their fingers. To each his own, honestly. You're going to find what works for you, what doesn't work for you. Just wash your hands before starting. But low-key, this wig is already a vibe. Like when I say I love the inside of the wigs, typically you guys, when it comes to flower patterns on the inside of wigs, I don't like it. I had to try to figure out what it was about the flower inside lace. It's just so chaotic, and I think it looks so so bad. At this point, we are going to just put on an elastic band. So you guys know, the longer you keep this on, the better. You guys know I don't be keeping it on for that long. But what I do at this point is take the scissors and I do cut off just the ouch, these scissors are very sharp. So I cut off the additional lace because it's gonna mess up my eyebrows. So far this is what the hair looks like. When it comes to the parting space, it gives you, let me just show it to you guys while we're here. You do have some parting space, as you guys can see. Over on the sides, it's a super small parting space area. So you can think like T-part-esque, but enough to pluck at the sides and enough to swoosh baby hairs. I think I'm gonna like this wig because it's cute and it's out of my element, you know? It's like a curly little shaggy. And it's crazy because I wanted to do finger waves. I'm probably still going to, but at some point I'm going to really enjoy just throwing on a short hairdo and just wearing it like low-key part to the middle, you know? Like that's just my vibe. So let me go get a eyebrow razor and then we're going to cut this off together. Okay, it's been no time. This is low-key cute. Like I feel like a sexy Superman. So this is what it looks like, just straight out. To me it looks good, but just so you're aware, if you're like new to my channel, let me just give you an idea of what we're going to do. Look at these brows, they're so fierce. So I cut middle slit and then 2 off on the side, but I literally cannot see, so I'm doing this off. So before we keep going, I'm going to briefly spray my hairline and then put on an elastic band. I don't know, it's probably been like 3 minutes. This is what you have. Just scratch out the baby hairs. We're about to try some finger waves. We're going to attempt them. I don't know. This is what I have. We have mousse, we have gel, And then we have Erica J's Hold Me Down gel. And did I say I've never done finger wave? We've just got to go for it. Oh, this is Dollar Tree Super Hold. I don't think I'm gonna talk anymore. I'm gonna just attempt to figure this out. So enjoy the elevator music. You guys, I don't know. I thought we was getting some finger waves done today. So you guys, this is the final look. I was going for finger waves, but we ended up with slick back, which I can appreciate. So you guys can see the versatility of styles that you could do if you knew how to finger wave. I absolutely don't know how to finger wave, but if you did, you could add finger waves to this unit. You could wear it slick back like you see, or you could wear it like crazy and wild like I first had it, which would probably be the way that I actually wear it, because I loved just the look of the natural curls. Super pretty. It's just like a super short, cute little, I'm ready for the beach, I'm ready for the water park, I'm ready for a summer function. Because I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when it gets hot, and I don't want all that hair down my neck. And it's just me, maybe it's just me, but this is not touching my neck, it's off my neck. I'm about to get a big new neck tattoo, so I feel like short, like this is cute. Like when I say I'm going to wear this wig, I'm going to wear this wig. It's super comfortable. I love the curl pattern, and honestly, I just think it's gorgeous. So this is the Luvmehair short pixie curly cut. I'm gonna leave it in the description in case you guys are interested, but let me just briefly show you guys what came in the package. This is the Luvmehair box that you get with all your Luvmehair boxes, and they do give you a ribbon, but each time my daughter takes the ribbon and I can't get it back from her. But that, you know, they did give me this tiny Luvmehair dust bag that came with this little edge, you know, for your edges. These earrings actually came in the package, which I was super excited about. They gave us a edges brush, a wig cap. You guys know I love when companies do all that and give you the extra stuff, because I've received just wigs and dust bags and that was it, okay? But I absolutely love this hair. I do want to see what it looks like just styled wet, like, you know, and the curls dry, like how I had it, because I thought that that would have been so cute. But I was really thinking that I was gonna get these finger waves down pat, but I still do like this hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.